So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm here with another video gameplay you can say of GTA 5. So guys, I've shown you in my last video that I was taking a ride of my Mercedes-Benz S-Class. So I was also having a Pakistani car known as Grande in my garage. So today I have sold that car. So guys, today we are going to we have bought a new car. So here are look of this garage. See, there is a Lamborghini Sian. Then first of all, let me unlock this car. You can see that there is a snowfall outside our house. You can see in this city. So guys, today we are going to enjoy this snowfall with our luxurious Lamborghini Sian. Let me show you the interior. Here comes interior of this car. I bought this car from Dubai. Dubai, because my friend, his name was I think Clean. I forgot now his name. He was my old friend. He just gifted me this Lamborghini brand, Lamborghini Sian. See, wow, this is looking like awesome with this interior. So today we are going to enjoy the snowfall in our city with our best supercar, you can say, our Morsian. Oh, wow, this car is Mercedes was also fast, but it's fast from Mercedes. Its speed is increased from Mercedes. You can see 2x. Let's run this car on highway. Oh no. Oh, he's trying to do a race with us. It's okay. We'll also do a race. Hey bro, do you wanna challenge? Hello bro. Do you wanna challenge this? Armored Sian.
Hey, you! Really?
Wow. Now he's trying to run away from me. Let him run. Where are you? Oh, I thought that he'll make his car ride fast or run fast, but he ran away from us. Let's do a race with some guys. Hello, bro.
I guess I'm not having a very good day.
Anyone of you want to do race with me? Hello. Hey, bro. You wanna do?
You happy now?
Why are they just running away?
You entitled piece of shit!
Wow. I'll break everything. Hey. Wow, there is a blue dot on our map. It means someone is
Hey! Hold it
doing
right
some
there!
bad thing. So he's a thief.
You
Hello,
had your
brother.
chance, pal.
First of all, let us see what has he taken. There is his dead body. So it was a wanted. It's okay. So here you can see I made those guys run away from me. Hello bro, hello. Wow, good trip. That was good but not that much good. I'll kill everyone. Oh, I'll not let him go because he just hit my car.
Come on! Kill me, I need something to talk to
I
my
think
shrink about.
he has applied bulletproof tires on
You're
us.
really making my skin crawl.
Will not let him go. How dare he to hit this car? Oh, don't run. we are unable to drive our car. Where is he? Hey brother, where are you? I think he has run away. Oh no, he
Oh,
is
you
dead.
screwed up my car!
Let us see. I think we have blown the tire of his car. So guys, this was our video. If you like my video, please give a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.